I've been a Medicare advocate in Alberta for 20 years, and I've never been more worried about the future of public health care. I was there when thousands of us occupied the legislature to protest Bill 11. I was there when we filled the Agricom to capacity and pledged to fight American-style health care. I was there when Albertans said no way to the third way. We stopped two-tier health care and helped send Ralph Klein into retirement. But the Wild Rose represents a threat to Medicare like we've never seen before. Danielle Smith may not believe in global warming, but she does believe in bringing American-style politics and American-style health care north of the border to Canada. Danielle uses reassuring words. She's good with a soundbite, and she's very good at putting a pleasant face on a very scary party. But Wild Rose spending promises can only be accomplished by imposing deep cuts to education and healthcare. And Wild Rose is committed to using public funds as seed money to facilitate the growth of corporate for-profit care. That's right, they want to use our money for the last thing that we all want, which is to build a parallel for-profit corporate healthcare system. They've got cojones, I'll give them that. So what do we do with this situation? Some people say that we should vote for the Conservatives to stop the Wild Rose. Give your head a shake. The Conservatives are the party that brought us Bill 11, the Mazinkowski Report, and the Third Way. They're the party that blew up the Calgary General Hospital, then gave the green light to build a private hospital. They're the party that has brought us bed shortages, doctor intimidation, and a broken long-term care system. And just last year, a leaked cabinet document showed that the Conservatives were looking at opening the door for privatization in healthcare along exactly the same lines as the Wild Rose. Of course, there's Alison Redford. I don't doubt that she's more progressive than other Conservatives, but I want to give you a scenario. The Wild Rose wins. Redford loses her seat. The progressive wing of the Conservative Party is left leaderless and discredited. The Conservatives choose a real Conservative to win back support that they've lost to Wild Rose, someone like, say, Ted Morton. Think about that. Do you really want Ted Morton as your guy in the legislature to defend public health care? What chance would Medicare really have? When the fight comes, and we know it will, we need people who will stand up, not fall down. So for the love of God, don't vote for a party that would kill Medicare with a guillotine. And don't vote for a party that's already been killing it with 1,000 cuts. Vote for parties that really believe in Medicare and would go to the wall to defend it. You know which parties I'm talking about. And don't let them tell you that real progressives can't get elected. In Edmonton, in Lethbridge, even in Calgary, we don't have to settle. We don't have to hold our noses. So on April 23rd, vote to send the Conservatives a message. Vote with your heart. Vote to stop the Wild Rose. And most importantly, vote to save Medicare.